Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, service technician for Advanblack. Today we're going to be installing one more part of our Holeshot performance bagger kit. It's going to be the Shorty wrapped front fenders. Now, as you can see, this fender is a wrapped fender, but it is also shortened front and the rear. Now, this fender is a one-piece steel fender, and of course from Advanblack you can get it color matched to your bike. Inside the kit you'll get these spacers and all new hardware. Now, like I said, this fender is part of our Holeshot kit. It's the performance bagger style kit that we have, and we just released a video on the rear end. That includes the performance bagger style side covers, the saddlebags, the Shorty rear fender, and of course the filler lights for the rear fender. So if you want to check out that video, I'll put a link down below. But today we're going to be installing the front fender. Super easy to do, just a couple of bolts and you'll have this switched out in no time. So let's get the camera over here and get it swapped out. 4 bolts on the front fender. It's going to be a 1/4 inch Allen to remove those. So we're going to go ahead and get those out of the way. Inside your hardware kit, you're going to have 2 spacers and a bag of bolts, nylon nuts, and washers. We're going to grab our Shorty fender. We're going to slide it into place. Put our spacer up in here. We're going to make sure that this flattest side goes towards the fender and the shortest side goes towards the fork leg. Take one of our new bolts. Go ahead and slide our spacer in. We're going to do that on both sides, and then we can lift the fender up and put it right into place. Slide our rear spacer up into place. Tilt the fender till it comes in contact with the hole. It's going to take a 6mm Allen and a 13mm wrench on the back side to tighten these down. Go ahead and take your protective edges off. Make sure you get all the tape off. If you have any tape residue at all, you can use just a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a soft cloth, and that stuff will rub right off there. So that's going to wrap up our fender install. Super easy to do on these bikes. 4 bolts, and it's going to completely change the front end look of your bike. And like I said, it's part of the Holeshot performance bagger style kit. So if you want to check out that whole kit, like I said, links will be down in the description. Also, links over to the parts will be in the description as well. I hope this video helped you. I'm going to get myself out of here and get cleaned up. I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, as always, be safe. Keep your knees in the breeze.